Hello students, how to find the value of x and y. So I can write this equation x plus y equal to 24. So it will become y equal to 24 minus x. Okay, so put this equation in this. So x into 24 minus x, it will become equal to 48. So this will x multiply 24, okay, negative x square minus equal to 48. Okay, so 24x, it will become equal to 24x, okay, and minus x square minus 48 equal to 0. Okay, so both sides multiply by negative sign, so it will become x square minus 24x minus 48 will become equal to 0. So it can be solved by quadratic equation. So let a equal to 1, b equal to negative 24, and c equal to 48. Okay, so I use quadratic equation. X will become equal to negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, I put the values of b, c, a. So negative 24, okay, plus minus 24, there is negative, minus 4 into a will become 1, and c is 48, okay, divided by 2 into a, 1. Okay, so this equation will become plus x equal to plus 24 to 4, okay, plus minus 580. So it will become equal to 576, okay, minus 172. Okay, from this we will get 172 divided by 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay, 24 plus minus 384 divided by 2, 1. Okay, so this equation will become x equal to, if I take LCM of this, so 384 2, so 192 by 2, 96 by 2, 48 by 2, 24 by 2, 1 2, so by 2, 6 by 2, 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there is 7 2, so 24, I can write this 2 power 7 multiplied by 3, this 3 in the form of, I write this in the form of this equation. So x will become equal to 24 plus minus, so I can also write this 2 power 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So x will become equal to 24 plus minus 2 power 6 will become 2 power 3, under root 2 power 6 will become 2 power 3 multiply under root 6, 2 3s are 6, so divide by 2. So if I both this 2 divided by both these digits, so here will remain 12 plus minus this is say 8, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. If I divide this with this, it will only left 2, so 2 power 2 is 4, under root 6. Okay, so the x value, possible values is 12 plus minus 4 under the root 6. Okay, so its value will be 12 plus 4 under the root 6, and other value is 12 plus negative 4 under the root 6. So one value, possible value is this, and the other possible value is 12 negative 4 under the root 6. Okay, now I can write this. Okay, so from this I put this in this x, y equal to 24 minus x. Okay, so it will become y equal to 24 minus x. Okay, so y1 will become equal to 24 minus x1. So x1 is this, so it will become y1 equal to 24. Okay, 24 minus this is 12, x1 is 12 plus 4 under the root 6. Okay, so y1 will become equal to 12 plus 4 under the root 6. Okay, so this is y1, and the y2 will become y2 equal to 24 minus x2. So x2 is here, right here, 12 minus 4 under the root 6. So y2 will become equal to 24 minus this is in bracket. So if I multiply this negative to minus 12, so it will become negative 12, and it will also become negative. So this is negative. Okay, 12 minus 4 under the root 6. I also write this negative 12 negative 4 under the root 6. Okay, so y2 will become equal to 24 negative plus positive. This is 24 to 4. Negative positive, negative into positive is negative 12, negative into negative is positive 4 under the root 6. So y2 will become equal to 12 plus 4 under the root 6. Okay, so there is 4 possible value of x and y. x1, y1 values are, I write this here, x1, y1, this will equal to 12 plus 4 under the root 6. This is x value, comma 12 negative 4 under the root 6. This is y value. So x2 now comma y2, this will become equal to 12 negative 4 6 under the root 6. So 12 positive 4 under the root 6. Okay, so if I cross check this, is my right answer is right or not? So check, I will apply check. So my first equation was that x plus y equal to 24. So x plus y equal to 2 4. So I put the value of x. So x value is 12 plus 4 under the root 6, and the value of this. Okay, so 12 y, value of y, negative 4 under the root 6 equal to 24. So 12 plus 4 under the root 6 plus 12 minus 4 under the root 6 equal to 24. So this will cancel with this, 24 equal to 24. So it's mean that my answer is right. These values are right. Thank you very much.